Sending morning vibes to all our friends tuning this morning. We say Mbulvanaka and welcome to our Palang show. We say Arvanaka to all the listeners tuning in from around the country, around the world. To all the listeners, our friends who are tuning from the Pacific Islands. In Tonga, Samoa, in the Cook Islands, we say Yandavanaka, Aloha, Talofa. Mbulvanaka to in PNG.
Right.
And the Solomon Islands, Mbulvanaka to all the listeners in Niue and Honiara. Western
Port
Samoa,
Moresby.
American Samoa. Kapag bibi bikim ni wakadra borong bulmay na puno ni biyo balbala bula. Aotearoa kin puno bang tamer Australia. Nabi asay burbura ni andra ni matabenaka nabi tiko nabi balle. Bikim ni sama cuma nabi telu ni sal ni andra ni matabenaka. Andra benaka Debs.
Andra benaka atu andra benaka taranga email na dalebu kena bubale ni siwa rumbo tu ni kuwa. Singa lele tu ni bingarabi baka ni binana bingarabi tunga lewa kabika epanes mai na bunole bo kalandi mai New Zealandi abambul tatunga bebilia melinganganga ama indi mana roko tu ni ngo ralutu aje da timbiu zek turanga sau mai bunisia mai kandabu abe John Kumar sa be bano tobi lumaka ifere mitambundobi batekero nongono John K William andra benaka bambul tatunga bertu kesar na wikimuni na wekanda ni bitoka ni mengo na VT FM
andra benaka to all the farmers in the villages around the country baru chika wikimuni na mataka di kuwa thabu chika ngana ngona ni kuwa vali ngona batake nan dalo ka wosi batake na thabu chika kaka nandina kira basanga na iboli and boli take na be market in non davunua and bagarumbuga di kuwa batake na weekend ngona Singapore ini mataka
Sadam palpi mbai ni balum bulu mena kalalom from Mabu anandronga tom doindoi ya koleta senimoli my Christchurch. Good morning to everyone joining this morning, especially to the traffic from Totongo to the gang the Ndebo Sisi Melitamani turang ni ubisa o ananaya sangkona turang ni Nawangambena obi bulu menaka Apollo Silewai nemani tarkini ke Litia Ranandi Melitamani boni ni binanu ni bingarabi na mataka benani kuwa.
So sometimes you are like a magician and they messy.
Come
because when you tell me the story about your grog party last night, you could plan sariliu. Because Meli asked you to go and grog in his home.
Okay.
You could say samataka mosara couchiro na durbo. Why?
I was like this, because I know Samu is there. My tabale. He will do the Ginpigoda. He will trigger everything to steal the show. So myself, I'm not a goroga macha. But I like to interact. Socialize.
All right,
So we was there to Mrs. Tamani and the family from Burerua. There's one birthday they are looking forward to on this Saturday. Good morning to you. And also I was like that. I told Meli, I'm not a grog finisher. I'm a grog starter.
A grog starter.
So we drinking. From then, I see the time, I see the morning.
Right.
Ni sari dala kaloko sa mataka na mataka ni kuwa. Right, va na pick pa mataka na job pa na misinga. So I have to say I'm okay.
Okay.
That's enough for me today. I have to go home.
But you pre-planned your move.
I pre-plan because that's the smartest. Sala ko kana buku.
Right. Kembale your tabale Samu the
Candid.
Isn't introduction na mo.
Candid. Still sleeping.
Candid.
Jela timbiu yana nakataw pa ni binanu ni bengarabi yana matabi na ni kuwa.
Kembale nimber din dula ko sa brief take roro na boys.
Not brief. I use my mind. If I go alone, they will tie me. Or
right.
They will tell me, better go with them together so that we can come early.
What the monta mga bimeli?
Daw may meli rakusi. Mari kambia ukula. Rodango. Mari kambia ukula na ba rombula binaka ba ni binaw berketa na weka ni maimbulia ono kandavu. Daw bula binaka na leo ni bubale ndo sema to maimbulia ono kandavu. Thank you very much for joining this morning. Thank you very much.
Also to Nimi Ranrobi, to all the friends ni na moto nanti rasema chungo disela dina matari kuwa. Tom doindoi talanga tabu yang gora chungo etambu sili bana bosa. And we also say good morning and to Nomwe Swa, say Nomwe Zingwa. Nicodemus, listening in from Kampala, Uganda, East Africa.
Bojulum.
Welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. Mr. Nicodemus, all the way from Kampala, Uganda in East Africa. What about?
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. So that's very far, the desert in the field, eh?
Yeah.
As they are looking for the deer, the lion, the giraffe, the zebra,
Iya, tidak sir.
yeah, so many animals there. Yeah. After that,
Iya.
they went to the Matua Base taxi. They drinking grog there.
Jeda Timbiu and the...
Jaydati Timbiu. The fella told Jaydati,
Iyo.
we go and grog at home. But
Right.
Jaydati said, no, we just here come interact with the boys, the driver
Don't
here.
worry, the transport here.
Kali took up.
Oi.
The fella sleep.
Sa...
Beside the mango tree outside.
Au sino mambo, tambo ko turang aliu.
Na kene
Nasa
bandirin.
turang ata ne turang aliu.
Iyo.
Tawaku.
Anda mo kulia di bita.
Kembali pa kontombul.
Kale buale ngo.
Ha?
Kale buale.
Boy. Kontombul na vi ko sa tak turang
Iyo.
Okay. Nata vi ko na rai ko reta nambongi. What do you see? Is Melis downfall. Can be his downfall. Go.
Mel is downfall.
Right. Yeah.
Outside.
Yeah.
Ko ningun no no manimbai ko kuwa.
Right.
Ningun itumba. Endo tani. Kiri karua.
Iyo.
Ningaw na saba kame sa lindende kinanataki.
Iyo.
Sandende na taki.
Sagep.
Isagep.
Iyo.
He is taki. Wala nga taki.
Right.
Wala nga taki. Baka nga nandebo.
Iyo.
Ningaw na sa ndende singa
Same
tunila ko
Tuesday,
kina.
same Tuesday.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Ningaw na sa ndende sa singa nila ko kinandabe.
Iyo.
Na way lebu mi sa on.
Iya.
Kasana na sana way manamay.
Iya.
Alam sa niya
Kakada.
Esa na kakada, esa na lumi-lumi may, esa na sisisi. Eh? Kaya sa niya
Yeah.
If you want
So
to,
it happened last night.
it happened.
Uy. Boy.
So the fella is because embala bu naketena.
Yeah.
Ko naketena tiko men
Long stomach.
Iya long stomach. Tiko men tilo-tilo.
Yeah.
Yang sa rinduruna.
Nangata. Okay. Nataba na malu-malu mo no mutabale samudu turang tadi.
Na malu-malu mo na uluna.
Uy.
Na uluna nga malu-malu mo. Nabila katua. This is from Nangkai Lambasa. Ombu inia, ombu wata, omeme batake Rusi Junior.
Iya.
Pano mila taltunga bitukai. Binabali besar bitalai bikin dari sama tuan goreng Nangkai Melambasa.
Okay, last question.
Come.
Do you see any weakness in Jeda Timbiu?
I didn't see any weakness. I didn't see any weakness.
Yeah.
I can see the weakness from the Basu.
From the
We call the Basu.
Yeah. Oi.
Come.
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
Sama buah. Oh.
Ah.
Biar saber iwala deko tumpio karoyarna. Iyo. So the fella don't want to come, Mikael Galombula.
Oh, okay.
Iyo. So that's where the
Okay, what is your weakness?
my weakness.
Yeah. Is your head.
Not head. My weakness
Yeah.
is when I use my head.
Right.
Yeah. When I use my head,
Yeah.
whoever wants to
Is in
plan
front of
any
you?
in front of me,
Yeah.
kelas.
Wah, udah.
Para tu be ya tulia sa siki be kau napai ker sarna dar sal tunggo berata na sigini kuwa
Iya.
we kan iba bubale ba no mito tani kirna no irna ngoni turanga na buni dara sala iberata.
Oi.
Good morning from here to Imbua and Nabukuni Dara sala iberata.
Terus England.
Thank you very much.
Iyo.
From Tapa Farm, Naksa Fur, thank you very much for joining this morning. And also from the Queensland.
Wana now.
I told everybody, do whatever you do from your heart.
Dormo benak.
Eh?
Whatever you do it from your heart.
Do it from your heart.
Iyo.
It's big or small.
Don't know
Whatever we do,
Yeah.
we're gonna pay to.
Your Jeda Timbiu has got a clean heart.
Clean heart,
Iyo.
clean surrounding,
Iyo.
clean environment, clean ecosystem, and cleaner from Jeda TV. Tobata, boleh benaka? From Tinay Jos, Nandi Ngowe Fereti Lobo,
Iya.
Banin benaka? Tumanu Mbaki Tuai, Malo. Thank you very much for the company.
Yeah.
And also to Lewa Kabika.
Leo
Kavika joining from konaturangan niya tuku kango.
Yeah.
Ano pinakabay tamayepa pinabuli usara sa mabuli may.
Right.
Ano matakan din dai. Gabriel Iwan Nimbitu, William Morokora, Obi.
Kata saya besar cuma East Africa.
Ibo, Uganda.
Uganda. But
Dani singgo
what do you kata gur?
Kaya pa sa mata ka, namu gusto ko ba ira, sing madaling do tali na buru-buru, rawat ito na moves ya?
Iya. Betul na bener nga kondo
Iyo.
Iya.
Mikel Ngolumbula, sorry I was not invited.
Ya reda, do tala talo ya.
Oh.
Do tala sa vital ya.
Oh, tamay makilina, mbula binaka weka, mbula binaka. Kena linga ni bengkarabi tambana ni bibuan dun takere kena ubisa.
Ya no binaka.
Pani ni binaka na ni bengkarabi.
Ya no binaka.
Tu tamay Faustina, good morning. Gabriel Wenimbitu, William Morokura.
If you had called Mika, he would have been there.
Ebi nakatala ngami kuningiriti.
Eh?
Ebi nakatala ngami kuningiriti.
Baleta.
Ngonengo,
Iya.
ko baka tuna orang namay na venukula.
Iya.
Dobi pakararawat aki. Elizabeth Julia Simpson, basala batu kaulan daw bulamay.
And all the gang from Votukole, we say good morning to Tamay Don.
Iyo.
Inside his bus and to all the passengers in Votukola.
Sabi na kero sa dama.
Naka.
Sabi ni nakita ko. Kena bubale binabalusar ningay like taka hataka ningay setaka.